This is a one-arm chi roll for Dragonstaff with the palms facing upwards and the staff rolling away from me, or rolling forwards, some people say. This is an extremely important move with Dragonstaff, especially with chi rolls, as it is used in nearly every chi roll technique. First, we want to drop the Dragonstaff and we want to work on our arm position. So start with your arm facing out, flip your palm upwards with your fingers together and draw a circle on the roof with your palm facing upwards. As the hand gets close to your face, think about stroking your face and the hand comes in front of you, palm facing down, twist your palm up and along again. You notice that as I do this motion, it's like I'm drawing a circle in the sky. Flip your palm up, come around. As the hand comes past your face, the elbow goes from pointing downwards to pointing outwards. Swing the arm out and straighten your arm. As your palm points up to the ceiling, your elbow twists down towards the ground again. So the elbow twists out, palm up, twist down, swing. Out. Palm up, elbow down, palm down, elbow out. So we're making this action here. First, place the staff on your right arm. The left arm has this OK sign, and just holding the staff very loosely so that it can roll and slide in your left hand. With the staff on your upper right arm, flip your palm facing forwards and drop your hand a little bit so that the staff starts to roll down towards your hand. As the staff gets close to your palm, we can grab the staff and stop it from rolling with our left hand. We swing our arm out to the side as we practiced earlier, and the staff rolls around our hand. As you stroke your face, your forearm comes past your face and then down towards the ground, and we can place the staff on our upper arm. Drop our hand again and the staff will roll towards our hand. As it reaches our hand, we can spin our hand around. Notice the path the staff takes is around the outside of our hand. Doesn't get to our hand and then pivot. It rolls around the outside, following the fingertips and the blade of the hand down to the forearm. So it rolls down over the fingertips, around the blade of your hand, and then down to the forearm and place. Flip your hand up, roll around, past your head, hand, forearm comes through the middle and out. So, boom, to here. As you get comfortable with this action, you can go a little bit faster and get rid of the pauses. So palm up around the outside, push the elbow to the outside and then down. Take note, the elbow is pointing outwards, palm up, the elbow is pointing downwards to the floor. Switch, elbow outwards, switch, elbow downwards. As the staff gets to the fingertips, it should be at the top of the arc that it's making, with your hand pointed upwards, and then as it gets to your elbow, your hand should be pointing down. So the top, and then down. Up high, and then down. And this is your one-arm chi roll with your palm facing up, rolling away from you. Now the left side. Same thing, place on your left upper arm with a loose grip on your right hand, palm facing up, roll the staff down towards your left hand. Grab the staff, pivot around, brush your face, bring your hand down towards the ground, place on your upper arm, palms up. Repeat. Here, pivot, arm down, out. As the staff gets to your hand, remember we want it to trace that circle all the way around the outside, down the forearm, sweep back past the ground. Remember, you can control the speed of the staff with the left hand. You can either give it a bit of a push or hold it steady if you need to stop and think. The hardest part in this move is this action just here, where you're bringing your hand through this inside space. So the staff is on your forearm, bring your hand past your head, and the staff transfers to your upper arm. As you get better, the staff just stays on your forearm the whole time and just pivots on the elbow. If you want to roll faster, you can drop your hand close to the ground so that the staff accelerates more. Some tips and tricks. Remember to keep that elbow pointing downwards and then out to the side and then flip. This is very important. Most of the time with Dragonstaff, we want our elbow pointed out to the side. This is one of the few moves where we need to poke or point that elbow close to the ground to get it to work. Also, as the staff gets to your hand, we want the staff to trace a circle around the outside of our hand. So as the staff approaches the hand, it hits the thumb, goes around the outside of our fingers. As our hand comes towards our face, it goes around the blade of our hand and then back down the forearm. Around like so. Now there's a few different variations we can do for this. We can isolate the staff. We can draw much bigger circles. We can even go over our fingertips. With a little bit more control, of course. But the base move is this, with our palms facing up and rotating.